Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Hyundai Sonata oil light. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Locate the trip reset button on the instrument cluster and press, and hold it until the oil light blinks or the maintenance message clears. Release the button, turn the ignition off, then restart the car to confirm the light has gone. Make sure the car is parked, engine off, and the parking brake is engaged. Locate the trip or reset button on the instrument cluster or steering column. Remove any ignition key fobs from the cabin to avoid accidental engine starts. Wait a few minutes for systems to settle before proceeding. Keep a small flashlight handy to spot the button and read the display. If you have a digital cluster, follow prompts carefully. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the channel. On another note, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for keeping garage dust and floor debris under control with voice control and smart mapping. It saves time after messy oil changes and keeps your workflow tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine, and make sure dashboard lights illuminate. Press and hold the trip reset button for about 10 seconds until the oil warning light blinks or the maintenance message resets. Release the button and turn the ignition off, then wait a moment and restart the car to confirm the light is gone. Repeat the process if needed and track your next oil change mileage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.